Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. So for today's video, I have a hair tutorial for you guys. So I posted a few pictures on Instagram of me with this hairstyle and a lot of you guys really loved it. So I decided to just film a tutorial. I feel like this hairstyle is so cute, like it's such a girly hairstyle. My favorite part about this hairstyle is that it works best with dirty hair. I'm one of those people that don't wash their hair every day, but I do like my hair to be styled. I usually like to wear my curls for 2 to 3 days, and I know that might sound crazy to some of you, especially if you wash your hair every day. So I did start out with old curls, and honestly, you can curl your hair any way. It does not have to be a particular way. I did show you guys how I like to fill in my hairline. I am kind of bald right here. Like every girl is just a little bit more bald right here. And I just hate the way it looks sometimes when I pull all my hair back. I just showed you guys quickly how I fill it in, and I just use like an eyeshadow powder. Like it honestly doesn't matter what you use. Whatever matches your hair color. I just wanted to show you guys how I do my half up and half down hairstyle with no extensions. I'm not against using extensions. I just don't have extensions that match my hair color right now. So I'm gonna stop talking and let's go ahead and get started. So you want to make sure that you start off by brushing through your hair, making sure that there are no knots. And then I'm parting my hair, and I like to just go right by my ear like this and just go straight up. So I will be parting this into 2 sections, and I like to work on them separately. So I'm just tying the bottom half away so that it doesn't get in the way. So starting with the top half, I'm just teasing this part of my hair because I don't like it to look too flat. Since I don't have a ton of hair right there, I don't like it when it's too flat, and sometimes you can see my scalp. So for teasing, I'm just taking a regular teasing brush, or actually it's not even a teasing brush, it's just a regular comb, and the Oribe dry texturizing spray, and then just lightly teasing it. So now I'm just throwing it back, smoothing it out, and then I like to use a heavy hold pomade. And you can use gel or anything that you have. I just happen to have this. I just use it to hold like any baby hairs or flyaways. And yeah, it's really nothing special. I just want it to have that sleek, smooth look. So I'm just going to tie it up with an elastic. Now I'm just going to go in and tease the pony just to give it a little bit more volume. And then to hide the hair tie, I'm taking a tiny piece from the bottom half of my hair and just wrapping it around the hair tie. Now starting on the bottom half, I'm just teasing the sides of it because I like for it to like be fluffy, like a pillow underneath the pony where the pony will lay. So nothing special. I just like to tease about 2 parts on each side and also on the back, so that when I let the pony down, the pony sits on top of it and it just gives it that fluffy, voluminous look. Now taking some strong hold hairspray, I'm just spraying the hairs down, and this hairstyle is very movable, flexible, so it's not going to stay in place and be like really polished or anything, but it does help the curls hold and just tries to kind of keep everything together. And of course, make sure you smooth everything out. And then I'm just quickly showing you guys how I fill in my hairline. This is just how I do it really quickly when I just want to throw my hair up and I have to go, like I don't have a ton of time to spend. But if I want to do it quickly, I just use a big fluffy brush like this one right here, and I'm just using like a dark brown eyeshadow and just patting it and pressing it into my hairline just to give myself, you know, the illusion that I do have a full head of hair when you guys see that I really don't. But if you're like me and you don't have a ton of hair on your hairline, and you have a big forehead like me, this just kind of helps it look a little nicer. I don't know, but yeah, I hope that you guys found this video helpful. This is the finished look, and thank you all so much for watching.